Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting temporary tattoos. First, ensure your skin is perfectly clean and dry. Any oils or lotions can prevent the tattoo from adhering properly. Shaving the application area is also a great tip, as hair can interfere with the transfer and longevity. Choose a smooth, flat part of your body for the best and most durable application. This initial preparation is key to a successful, long-lasting temporary tattoo. Once your skin is prepped, it's time for application. Place the tattoo face down on your skin and press it firmly. Then, take a damp cloth or sponge and hold it against the backing paper for about 30 to 60 seconds, ensuring it's thoroughly wet. This helps the design transfer completely. Carefully peel off the backing paper, making sure the entire design has transferred. If not, press it back down and re-dampen for a few more seconds. To significantly extend your tattoo's life, consider sealing it. After the tattoo has dried for about 10 minutes, apply a very thin layer of liquid bandage or a cosmetic setting spray over the design. This creates a protective barrier against water and friction. Let this sealant dry completely, which usually takes several minutes. Once sealed, try to avoid rubbing or scratching the area, as this can still cause the tattoo to flake or fade prematurely. Proper aftercare is crucial for maintaining your temporary tattoo. When showering, try to keep the tattooed area out of direct water spray and gently pat it dry afterward instead of rubbing. Avoid using harsh soaps, lotions, or oils directly on the tattoo, as these can break down the adhesive. For extra protection, you can apply a very thin layer of petroleum jelly over the tattoo before showering. With these tips, your temporary tattoo can last for several days, even up to a week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.